The British used car market is full of overpriced German saloons with questionable electrics and French hatchbacks held together by optimism. Meanwhile, some of the most dependable cars ever tested are gathering dust on forecourts across the country. Nobody wants them because they are unglamorous and understated. They do not impress the neighbours. What car surveyed over 32,000 UK owners in 2025, and the results are extraordinary. Some of these cars scored higher than anything from BMW, Audi or Mercedes. There was a time when British buyers valued honest engineering over badge snobbery. This countdown is for those who still do. 8 dirt-cheap cars nobody buys in Britain, but that will genuinely run forever. Number 1 will surprise even the most experienced petrol heads. In 8th place, the Dacia Sandero stands as the ultimate money-saving machine for British drivers who care more about cost than curb appeal. Used examples start from just £4,000, undercutting nearly everything else on the market. What really seals the deal is the Sandero's running costs. Motor Easy's repair cost data puts the average annual bill at only £389, less than a set of premium tyres for a BMW. Insurance Group 3 means premiums stay low, and Dacia's 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty covers you long after most rivals have given up. There is even more cabin space than a Fiesta, yet the Sandero remains stubbornly ignored by badge hunters. It is the car that proves you do not need deep pockets to enjoy years of reliable motoring. And if this is the baseline, just wait for what's coming next. Number 7. The Suzuki Swift quietly rewrites the rulebook for cheap motoring in Britain. Here is a car that delivers proper fun behind the wheel, yet keeps your wallet firmly in the green. The What Car 2025 Reliability Survey gives the Swift a 95.9% fault-free score, numbers that put far pricier rivals to shame. Suzuki's after-sales figures tell an even better story. 3/4 of repairs come in under £100, so the usual dread of a garage bill barely applies. Used Swifts from 2018 to 2020 can be found for just £5,000 to £6,000, and everyone is backed by a 7-year, 100,000-kilometre warranty. For drivers who want a bit of zest without the cost, the Swift is proof you can have your cake and eat it. No badge snobbery required. And with this kind of track record, it is baffling how many still pass it by. Number 6. The Toyota Aygo and its newer sibling, the Aygo X, prove that small does not mean flimsy. Far from it. These little city cars have quietly set a benchmark for reliability, with the What Car 2025 survey awarding them a near-perfect 99.7% fault-free score. That is not just impressive for a compact, it is almost unheard of at any price. On the used market, Aygos start from around £3,500, making them one of the most affordable routes into truly dependable motoring. Insurance is another area where the Aygo shines. Group 1 premiums mean rock-bottom costs, especially for young drivers or anyone tired of being fleeced by the big insurers. Dealers can barely keep them on the forecourt, thanks to quick turnover and a reputation for surviving the urban grind. For anyone convinced that only bigger cars can be tough, the Aygo stands as the ultimate rebuttal. Tiny, yes, but built to last. Number 5. The Mazda 2 brings a rare dose of driving pleasure to the sensible end of the used car market. Here is a hatchback that does not just survive the daily grind, it actually makes the commute enjoyable, thanks to the famously robust 1.5-litre Skyactiv engine under the bonnet. This is proper Japanese engineering, naturally aspirated, chain-driven, and designed to shrug off 150,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Owner surveys and mechanic reports back this up. Timing chain issues are vanishingly rare, and the odd oil gasket leak is about as dramatic as it gets. MOT pass rates hover above 80%, and nearly a quarter of owners clock up 6-figure mileages before needing anything major. At around £5,500 for a tidy 2018 example, you are not just buying reliability, you are getting a car that is genuinely fun to drive, with a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty as standard. Dealer stock is thin, which props up resale values and keeps the bargain hunters keen. For those who miss the days when cars were built to last and still put a smile on your face, the Mazda 2 is a quiet hero, proof that you do not have to choose between bulletproof and brilliant. Number 4. The Honda Jazz quietly delivers a masterclass in no-nonsense reliability and clever design. According to What Car's latest survey, the Jazz posted a flawless 100% fault-free record, something even the priciest German brands can only dream of. Used examples start from around £4,000, making it one of the most accessible ways to get bulletproof motoring. But the real party trick is inside. Honda's Magic Seat system lets you fold, flip, or drop the rear bench in seconds, swallowing everything from a bicycle to a wardrobe without fuss. For older drivers, or anyone who's ever wrestled with a flat pack, that level of practicality is a revelation. The hybrid version pushes things even further, with many owners logging over 60 miles per gallon in real-world use, no complicated tech or plug-in faff required. Insurance sits in Group 13, and the Jazz's MOT pass rates are among the best in Britain. While it's not the flashiest badge on the street, the Jazz proves that sensible can still be brilliantly versatile. And if this is only number 4, the top 3 must really have something up their sleeve. Coming to the top 3, the Hyundai i10 stands as the poster child for risk-free motoring in Britain. The numbers are almost hard to believe. It scored a perfect 100% reliability result in What Car's latest survey, with not a single owner reporting a fault. That is not just a statistical fluke, it is a level of dependability that even the most expensive German badges cannot touch. But here, Hyundai really throws down the gauntlet. Every i10 comes with a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty. No small print, no mileage cap, just pure manufacturer confidence. It is as if Hyundai is daring anyone to find a chink in the armor. And so far, nobody has. Used i10s start at just £3,500, yet you get the kind of after-sales safety net that would make a Mercedes owner jealous. Rear seat space is another quiet triumph. Even 6-foot adults fit comfortably, making the i10 far more practical than its city car rivals. Dealers report the quickest turnover in the segment, but even so, the i10 is still overlooked by those chasing flashier badges. For anyone who has ever dreaded the idea of an unexpected repair bill, this is the antidote. A car where the maker itself guarantees peace of mind. With the top 2 still to come, the case for honest engineering only gets stronger. Number 2, the Toyota Auris Hybrid stands as the gold standard for drivers who want all the savings of modern electrification without the gamble of long electric vehicle downtime. For less than £5,000, a 2016 Auris Hybrid with around 60,000 miles offers a package that is hard to fault. Real-world fuel economy hovers near 65 miles per gallon, and the hybrid system has earned a reputation for shrugging off abuse that would flatten most diesels. But here is where the Auris quietly trumps the latest tech. Toyota's dealer-backed warranty extension means that, with annual servicing, cover stretches right out to 10 years from first registration. That's a decade of peace of mind, with no complicated subscription or app in sight. While nearly half of electric vehicles with faults spend more than a week off the road, the Auris Hybrid just keeps ticking over. No charging anxiety, no waiting for a tow. Insurance sits in Group 10, and repair costs are modest thanks to the bulletproof 1.8-litre petrol engine. It's not the flashiest badge, but for drivers who value reliability over Instagram likes, the Auris Hybrid is a quietly brilliant answer to Britain's changing roads. And if this is only number 2, the final pick is about to raise the bar even higher. And finally, in first place, the Suzuki Ignis is the ultimate market sleeper, hiding in plain sight while everyone else chases badges and touchscreen gimmicks. For just £6,000, you can bag a 2018 Ignis with mileage barely above 30,000, and that is not some stripped-out penalty box. Under 900 kilograms, curb weight means this little Suzuki feels lively, yet sips fuel at a rate of up to 55 miles per gallon. But here is the ace up its sleeve. All-grip, all-wheel drive is available on the SZ5 trim, a rarity in this price bracket, and a godsend for anyone who has ever faced a muddy car park or a snowed-in B road. Mechanically, it borrows heavily from the Swift and Vitara, so parts are plentiful and repairs are straightforward. No waiting weeks for a specialist widget. The Ignis's bold, boxy looks might split opinion, but that is precisely why it remains so affordable. Most buyers overlook it, leaving the smartest drivers to scoop up a car that is light, frugal, and genuinely capable in all weathers. If the rest of the market wants to ignore a car this cleverly engineered, so much the better for those who know what really matters. The Ignis proves that the best value in Britain is not always the flashiest. It is the car that quietly does it all, for less, year after year. Across all 8 of these overlooked bargains, one thing stands out. Real-world reliability and value are hiding in plain sight, ignored for flashier badges. The data proves it. These cars quietly out-economize and outlast their pricier rivals. Sometimes, the smartest buy is the one everyone else misses. Cheers for watching.